What is PRISM? PRISM stands for Portfolio Risk, Impact and Sustainability Measurement. PRISM is an effort to create the transparency and clarity needed to maximize accountability in our sector. PRISM stands firmly on three pillars of assessment: why, how, and in whom did the impact fund invest in? What impact results have been achieved? Where and how? Which geography needs the most development? These are some of the questions this feature-rich platform allows investors and impact enterprises to assess, answer, and report. From the start, Intellicap's endeavor has been to go beyond the traditional models of performance rating and think about impact measurement in bold and exciting new ways. Just as the PRISM reveals new layers and colors from a single ray of white light, PRISM aims to reveal different facets of a fund's performance, enabling users to think in new directions. Through PRISM's framework, we ask exciting questions about the inputs as well as the outputs that drive successful impact investment. PRISM is the outcome of a consultative process between major stakeholders of impact investing ecosystem, including GPs, LPs, and impact enterprises. The initiative has been enriched by several industry practitioners who brought their vision, expertise, global network of partners and experts, and above all, unstinting support to PRISM's development process, from inception to right where we stand today. And a big shout out to our pioneer funds that opened their fund data for the beta testing. Let's hear what they have to say about PRISM.
PRISM has helped to view our impact data in a very systematic manner. We find the district level map data very interesting for our pre as well as post investment strategy. We do not claim that we are a social impact fund, but the data and the process speaks for itself.
The PRISM tool has the capability to present intent and impact of the fund manager in a meaningful manner. The framework beautifully captures Avishkar's unique philosophy of high-risk, early-stage investing in difficult geographies.
PRISM has the potential to bring the impact investing industry together in a new way. It offers a lot of comprehensive features that fulfill different stakeholders' needs.
So whether you're a limited partner, a fund manager, or an impact enterprise, you can use PRISM for your impact assessment needs. Explore PRISM now. Be a part of the exciting initiative to build a platform that evolves with the needs and challenges of the industry. Enable PRISM to offer you perspectives on impact as you create it. Try it live at prismforimpact.com. Follow our tweets for new and exciting updates on our functionality. We invite all the practitioners in the impact investment landscape to use and experience PRISM. And do share your inputs with us.